way to get through, how to break chains, deal with my pain. Here's to us. I won't be victim of the circumstance it gave me. Fuel to burn, it won't destroy me or define me. It'll give me ways to learn. It taught me how to self-destruct, to think I'm not enough. So I'll teach myself belief that I'm deserving of my love. I'm deserving of my love, deserving of my love. I'm deserving of my love. I'm deserving of my love. I'm deserving of my love. Here's to the string along the held the door and slammed it in my face. When I couldn't serve you what you wanted, you denied me of my space. Here's to the broken one that borrowed me, used me as their wings, lent on me relentlessly till I couldn't feel a thing. But I wouldn't give it up. They told me what to do. Wouldn't give it up, cause I know I learned from you. You made me who I am. Help me understand. Way to get through, how to break chains, deal with my pain. Here's to us. To a celebrated eagle, to show me what I'm not.